Canada is on full blast right now. Last year was a record-setting 430,000 new residents here in Canada. They need young bloods for this aging population. Student pathways and open working permit is up for grab. Welcome back to my channel, guys. For this vlog, I met this young couple, a lovely couple from the Philippines, and they will share us some of the tips and their journey coming here in Canada. Guys, meet Ara and Kris. Thank you for letting me do this interview, guys. Fast talk muna tayo. Ano, sex or chocolate? Or. Lights on, lights off. Day or night?
Yeah. Anytime.
Take one. Action. Okay. Ano nag-push sa inyo? Bakit nag-decide kayong pumunta rito sa Canada? I know you're doing well. Maganda yung trabaho nyo. You work in a hotel, both of you, right?
Yeah.
Chef and HR.
Sa sales.
Sa sales.
Yeah.
So, anong nag-push sa inyo? Okay naman yung status nyo ron, maganda yung trabaho nyo. So, bakit kayo pumunta dito sa malamig na Canada?
One, yung reason namin is for the future din.
Mm-hmm.
And two is para malapit din sa parents ko. And
Okay.
then three, para mabigyan din ng better opportunity yung career mo rin. Para mag-grow siya lalo. Kasi mas yung Canada mas tawag dito, mas advanced sila kaysa sa Philippines. Pero sa Philippines masarap magtrabaho sa Pilipinas kung maganda yung sahod mo, mga benefits. Masarap. Pero kung iisipin mo is para sa future mo din ng family mo, is much better dito kung sa mga medical, yung mga ganun. Mas maganda yung benefits nila.
Okay.
Yeah.
For me, same. One would be our future as like a couple. Second, of course, for our kids.
Mm-hmm.
Third, of course, we've been hearing na maganda yung healthcare in Canada. So, and then fourth, of course, to grow our careers as well, to fast track our careers.
Okay, that's nice. So you finally decided we're going to Canada.
Yes.
What's the first step
Yeah.
going here? Anong unang ginawa nyo?
First is research. Research everything. The process, kung anong pathway na gusto mo i-take. But for us, I took the student pathway with my common law partner as the open work permit holder. Because I believe, or based on research naman, it was the fastest way to go to Canada. So research everything about the process, about the documents that you need to submit, which they could find dun nga sa IRCC na website.
Ano yung IRCC?
It's immigration, refugees, and citizenship, Canada. Yeah.
Okay, so all the requirements makikita doon
Yeah.
kung nagbabala kayong mag-Canada.
Everything is in
Everything. So
Yeah.
when you're done with your research, what's the next step?
Next step is to gather all the documents.
Documents.
Yeah, so I have my own documents as an international student. He has his own documents as a as a open work permit holder. We also have a separate document for a common law proof of relationship.
Okay.
Yeah, so under me, or we have similarities in terms of this documents. So we have our letter of intent wherein you put all the necessary details why we're coming to Canada.
Yes, you mentioned that letter of intent.
Yeah.
Gaano ka-critical mag-prepare ng letter of intent?
It took me 3 months to
3 months.
prepare our letter of intent.
That's the deal breaker, right?
Yeah.
Yung letter of intent. Kailangan ma-convince mo yung Canada na maganda yung intention mo.
Exactly.
Detailed na, di ba?
Yeah, exactly. You have to put why are you going to study here.
Okay.
You have to put why you have chosen that school and why you have chosen that area or province. You also have to indicate on the proof of your proof of funds as well.
Okay.
On that
Stop. Proof of funds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Average. How much? Give me a figure. Magkano ang flight, school, accommodation? Magkano kailangan mo prepare?
For the let me start with the school probably.
Yeah.
For the school, I'm studying at Seneca College right now. So they required us to at least settle like the first semester. For the first semester, it was, if I'm not mistaken, 8,000 Canadian dollars
per sem.
per sem. So that's like 300,000 plus
In peso.
in peso.
Okay.
And then, ano pa?
Flights, accommodation, ang magkano kailangan nyo prepare?
For the flights, we have paid like 40,000 each
Okay.
for us. And then for the medical, it was like 10,000 each for us. For the application fee, if I'm not mistaken, $100 to $150 each. And then pocket money.
Accommodation. So all in all, magkano kailangan ihanda?
So, kasama yung pati yung bank, ano?
Yeah, everything. Yung
For us, it took us like, for the proof of funds, 1.2 million.
1.2
for the
million
both
each.
of us.
Oh, for both
For the
na?
both of us.
Okay, 1.2 million.
Yeah, 1.2
Roughly.
million.
Kasi meron kayong ano nun may sarili-sarili kayong savings and then meron dapat kayong joint account.
Okay.
So,
As common law.
As common law.
So, dapat yung nagre-range dun sa savings nyo is 300 to 500. And then yung kasasama mo pa yung savings nyo na magkasama kayo is dapat nagra-roughly siya ng 400 pa.
400,000 pataas.
Because
Okay.
technically sa IRCC, they would show how much na dapat magkano.
Okay.
I think for the international student, it's 10,000 to 13,000 Canadian dollars. And then for him, as an OWP, more of like 3 to 4,000 Canadian dollars. So
Okay.
combining that plus the tuition fee, at least you have like 1.2 million to show to
Wow,
IRCC.
that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
And yeah, dapat ready sila pag talagang pumunta dito.
So once you nag-spend ka na, like for the medical, tuloy-tuloy na yun.
Yeah.
Kasi sayang talaga malaki yung amount na bibitawan nyo, right?
Yeah.
So you have the school approval, you have the funds. What's next?
Funds, after completing all these necessary documents, create your GCP account and submit all the documents on that page.
Okay.
And then after that, the IRCC would then like review your application and request for you to do your biometrics. Biometric is technically done. We have done it at BFS Global, where they like get your fingerprints and all, take a photo of you, I think. Yeah, and then after that, they would like you will receive, or upon checking your account, you will see that they're reviewing your application already. And after a few days, probably you'll get the results already.
So waiting game. How long did you waited for the results, or if you're approved or not?
Because we applied or we have submitted January 16.
50 days?
More of like
50 days.
50 days, more or
Okay.
less 50 days.
So finally na approved. Yay! You're going to Canada. Next step.
Next step, of course, then the IRCC will ask you to
Submit the
your
passport.
passport
Okay.
so that you could get the visa stamping. And then
Okay.
we send it to VFS Global again. And then they send it back to us. And then, yun na, book na ng flight.
Yeah.
Book na ng flight.
Pero mas mahirap lahat doon is yung dadali mong gamit papunta dito.
Yeah.
Number one.
Meron bang meron silang sinasabi na yun lang ang dapat mong dalhin, or
Not necessarily. More of like probably restrictions sa airport. Sa airport or dun sa airlines. Basta ganun.
so roughly ilang months kayo nagantay from day 1 up to matanggap niyo yung approval niyo? 3 to 4 months, something like that?
Yeah.
3 to 4
3
months.
to 4 months.
So that's lahat yun do it yourself.
Yeah, do it.
So kailangan may time ka para gawin yun, para hindi ka na mag-spend ng money sa
And
sa,
again,
sa agency.
research everything. It's also good na you join yung mga yung mga
Group chat.
group
Group
mga
page,
student
yeah.
pathway
Yeah.
ng mga
Tsaka
groups sa
YouTube. Manood ka rin ng mga YouTube
Yes.
content about, mga ganyan, right?
Research
Yan yung mga nakatulong sa amin kung paano kami nakasurvive dito. And then, hanap din kayo ng good place na titiran nyo na.
Okay, we'll discuss that place
Best
later on.
landlord.
So right now, you are working in
Hotel.
downtown hotel, right? So as a chef, of course.
Yes.
Good job.
Yeah.
You are also working in a hotel, right?
Yeah.
And doing your studies at the same time, right?
Yes.
Nice. What about you, Kris? Paano ka nag-apply pala ng work? Doon ba sa Pilipinas, nag-apply ka na? O pagdating nyo rito, doon ka pala nag-apply?
For me, yung Marriott kasi is international.
Okay.
So, meron kaming sariling account sa Marriott na pwede namin i-apply sa
Sa
mga
ibang
ibang bansa. So, yun yung mga positive point na, nakatanggap ako na agad ng mga interview pagdating namin dito.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi pwede ka na magpasa doon kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, through email lang kayong magko-connect.
Mhm.
And then after that, we try to submit to different brand. So luckily, halos lahat puro Marriott naman yung tumawag, and then ang akin lang is mas mabilis lang yung pathway papuntang work hanggang sa home. So mas pinili ko yung
Location.
Location.
Location-wise.
Yeah, location-wise, and dahil yung pinaka tawag nito, home ground ng culinary ko is French cooking. So mas pinili ko yung Cafe Bouddhi.
Saan yun? What's the name of the hotel?
Four Season Hotel.
Wow,
Yeah.
bigati niyan, downtown.
Yes.
Mga
Yeah.
dyan nagsi-check-in guys ang mga artista pagka Toronto Film Festival. So,
Yes po.
good for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And right now you are working also in hotel, right?
Yeah, working at One King West Hotel.
Okay.
Residences. So I just started there kasi nung pagkarating ko dito, I started work as a part-time cashier sa Shoppers Drug Mart. Yeah. So technically before, like 20 hours a week lang kami allowed to work. But right now, parang in-amend ng IRCC, we can work full-time. Pero may regulations naman sila with regards to that.
Okay, so more than 20 hours.
Right now, I can work more than 20 hours.
Okay, so
Yeah.
parang you're both working technically, helping each other aside from studying, right? So good for you guys. I'm happy for you. And i-tour nyo ako sa accommodation nyo next time, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
No
Okay.
worries.
Thank you, Kris and Ara. Yeah. We'll see you on the next vlog. Thank
Thank you.
you.